Hello once again YouTube, Andy with you with another little video. So today I'm over at one of my favourite places, Stanton Park, just outside Swindon. It's a bit blustery today. It's not too bad here because I'm kind of sheltered, kind of in the woods almost. But further out there it's blown an absolute hoolie at the moment. Not really drone flying weather. So I just want to experiment to see what it's like outside in the field, in the open, compared to what it's going to be like kind of in the forest and in the woods. So once again we're going to go for a lovely little drone flight in and amongst the woods just to see what we can see. And going to go to 7 Deer Wood because it's local, a bit strapped for time as well, and it's just a nice place to be. Okay, right, we're just going to enter 7 Deer Wood. We're just going by here. See, there's a lot of wind around, very blustery. Get inside the wood, and it's a different story. The trees, they do tend to dampen down the winds quite a lot. And the flying conditions are much better. See some deer over there. There we go. There we go, just spooked them. Okay, well we'll get the drone up and see if we can see them. Right, take off with caution it says. Okay, going to be shooting on 2.7K, 60 frames per second. It's bouncing around a little bit, still quite close to the edge. Wind is coming in this direction, but we're going to try our best to send you through and see what we can see today. So 2.7K, 60 frames per second. Using my audio from my cam cap, my hat cam. Just going to bump my, I think my resolution up just very slightly. Let's just go up to, okay, we'll try that, see how we get on with that. I might need to do that every once in a while. But we're just going to have a nice cruise through the wood, just to see what we can see. This is 7 Deer Wood. I've already seen the deer scamper off about 5 or 10 minutes ago, just before I started setting myself up. They seem to go in this direction over here. I'm not entirely sure they're still in the wood actually. They might have gone out the other side of the wood. Not a very big wood, this one. A nice wood though. It's kind of like maybe acreage wise about 7 acres I suppose. So really just a nice size wood, really. Yeah, stick on the big screen, guys. You can see a little bit more on the big screen. You might get a little bit of wind noise from my camera. It's a blustery day in the UK today. I kind of just needed to get out just to just be part of this, really. Right, okay, got myself in a bit of a cul-de-sac here. I wonder if I can retrace my steps, as it were. Let's see if we can find the deer. Right, okay. So let's head off over in this direction, I think. See if we can find Bambi and his friends. So normally if deer are in the woods, it means that there's sort of nobody else in the wood as well, normally, with dogs or something, but you just never know. Right, just have a bit of a scout around. Let's see if we can see them anywhere. Anyway, so we've hit the weekend. Today's Saturday. It's not been a bad week, kind of. I've had worse weeks, let's say. I'm just stuck between a rock and a hard place regarding my work situation at the moment. I am really unsure what to do. I'm just finding it very difficult to, one, make a decision, and two, to actually get myself on the internet and start to get things moving with my taxi license. I'm just finding it difficult mentally. I'm struggling there. I'm just struggling at the moment, really, all around. There we go. Right, okay. So nothing's seen yet. Let's head on, I think maybe over in this direction a bit more. Bit of mess there, not sure what why that's there. There we go, anyway. Okay. We'll head on through and see if we can spot Bambi and his friends. No, I don't think. I'm not sure where they've gone, but even if I don't see anything, it's just nice to get outside and get in the woods and fly around, really. We're going to take you out of the wood. I've got 56% battery power left, so I might as well use it up, I guess. No point in using half batteries, really. We're just going to navigate out the wood. If there's any deer out here anywhere, I'll give it a bit of a spin around, see if I can see anything. We'll take you up and away, back and away. I won't take it too high because it is rather blowy out here. Just gives you a bit of an idea of my location. And I think we'll take you back into the wood, I think, where it's a bit safer, let's say. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's have a little sneaky look through here, shall we? Yes, I normally see something. I think if I was to come into the wood not walking and talking, but just drone flying, I think I would have probably seen the deer. No, but I came in with my size 13s, or size 12s actually, and I missed them, unfortunately. Anyway, there we go. Not to worry. Perhaps we won't see anything in 7 Deer Wood today. Perhaps it's no Deer Wood. Yeah, it might be no Deer Wood today, I'm afraid. Right, 25% battery power. Nothing gets spotted. If you do spot anything, guys, just please comment down below in the old comment section there. Always appreciate, and I like reading your comments. And thanks for watching my videos, and also thank you for taking the time to comment on my videos. I do hope that you find this kind of thing interesting, let's say. I certainly do. But I do understand it's not everyone's cup of tea. You know, this is a bit of a suicide mission in a way. Flying in the woods low and slow. There's an awful lot of stuff here to jump out and grab your drone and drag it down. But there we go. Right. I need to bring it back now, so I'll bring it back. You can listen to the beep beeps. And I hope we don't find it too annoying, let's say.
Battery level is low. Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
Oh no, you won't. I just cancelled you. And if you do, I've got it on hover mode anyway. So that's all good. Oops. Whee. Right, we had a big hit there. I'm just hoping that I think I might be caught up actually. No, I don't know. No, it's come down. Okay, not to worry. We go pick it up. It's literally just over there. Okay, right. Okay, we got it back. Yep, no problems. Yeah, low battery. You can see that That's broken there again. Yeah, it's all a bit flimsy really, isn't it? I'm just wondering whether it's worth actually having them on, because I mean they're £10 a pair, £10 a pair, and you know, you can quite easily go through quite a few sets quite quickly. Props on the other hand are quite cheap, so it might be financially more viable to just fly perhaps without the prop guards and just chance your luck, as they say. I don't know. I know without prop guards you're going to get a lot more fly time. Rather than 15 or 17 minutes with the guards on, you're going to get about 20-25 minutes. So there's a plus there. And sometimes it's a bit of a faff having to take them off and put them back on and fix them or whatever else, you know. So I think it's 6 of one and half a dozen of the other kind of thing, you know. But yeah, I think that's perhaps a viable option, not to fly with them anymore, to be honest. I mean, I don't know. Props themselves are very inexpensive and very quick and easy to swap over and to fix. So yeah, there we go, guys. So yeah, that was fun. Enjoyed that. Lovely wood. Don't think I spotted anything, not on my my phone anyway, as I was flying through. Obviously on the edits we're going to I bumped up to 2.7k, so that might make a bit of a difference. So we might see a little bit more. It might be a little bit clearer, I don't know. If I use 4k, my computer really struggles with 4k. It cannot shift the files round at all. It does crash my PC. 2.7k seem to manage those a lot better, so if this works then I'll probably start filming in 2.7k rather than 1080p 60 frames per second. I think 2.7k at 60 frames per second is going to give us a slightly higher quality finish to the video, hopefully anyway. There we go, guys. So just want to say thanks for watching. I'm going to come out of the wood now, and I'm going to make my way home, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.